Is it the right time to buy or sell Nvidia stock? In this video, we will delve deeper into Nvidia. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, December 5, 2023. Today, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You wouldn't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since December 5, 2023, our system has identified Nvidia as a buy candidate with a score of 1.66. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. We'll be closely monitoring this evaluation to see how it develops in the upcoming days. The stock is currently in the midst of a broad and relatively weak upward trend in the short term. However, there are indications of further upward movement within this trend. Looking at the past 3 months, there is a potential 9.17% change expected over the next 3 months. This means that the stock may experience a return ranging from -1.15% to 19.77%. Zooming out to the 12-month trend, it suggests a significant 221.65% change over the next year. This indicates a potential return between 206.18% and 271.29%. In terms of price, this translates to a range of $1,425.75 to $1,728.94 after 1 year. Our latest update for Nvidia brings some positive news. Nvidia stock has been upgraded to a buy candidate. On the last trading day, Tuesday, December 5, 2023, the Nvidia stock price experienced a gain of 2.32%. It went from $455.10 to $465.66. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $452.74 and a high of $466, showing a 2.93% variation. Over the past 10 days, the stock has fallen in 7 of them, resulting in a decline of -7.62%. On the last day, the volume of shares traded decreased by -7 million. In total, approximately 36 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to about $16.86 billion. It's worth noting that a decrease in volume at higher prices can indicate a divergence and potentially signal upcoming changes in the next few days. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price the stock reached was $505.48, while the lowest was $138.84. Currently, the stock is trading at a price 7.88% below its 52-week high, which amounts to $39.82 less than the highest price. It's important to mention that this 52-week high also serves as the all-time high for the stock. Today, let's take a look at some recent analyst ratings for Nvidia. On Wednesday, November 22, 2023, BMO Capital gave Nvidia a buy grade with a hold action. Also on Wednesday, November 22, 2023, BMO Capital upgraded Nvidia to outperform while maintaining a hold action. Wells Fargo, on the same day, gave Nvidia an overweight grade with a hold action. KeyBank also had positive views on Nvidia, giving it an outperform grade with a hold action. Turning to Tuesday, November 21, 2023, Morgan Stanley rated Nvidia as overweight with a hold action. Analysts have given Nvidia stock a strong buy rating overall. They consider the PE ratio and price-to-book ratios as strong buy. However, for return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of neutral. Let's take a look at the signals for Nvidia. On Monday, November 20, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point. Since then, the stock has fallen by 7.62%. It is expected to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is found. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. These negative signals should be taken into consideration. However, there are also some positive signals to note. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal, while the long-term average shows a buy signal. This suggests a positive forecast for the stock. If the stock continues to rise, it may face resistance at around $471.16 from the short-term moving average. On the other hand, if it falls, it may find support at approximately $456.52 from the long-term average. It's important to monitor the stock closely for any breakout or breakdown signals. It's worth mentioning that despite gaining prices, the volume of the stock fell during the last trading day. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could be an early warning sign. Therefore, it's crucial to keep a close eye on the stock's performance. Today, we'll be discussing some interesting signals that you might find useful for your trading strategy. Let's start with the Moving Average Convergence Divergence or MACD, which is currently showing a sell signal. Another signal to consider is the pivots, which indicated a sell signal 11 days ago. On the other hand, the Bollinger Bands are suggesting a buy signal that occurred 17 days ago. Looking at the short-term moving average, it also showed a sell signal 10 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average is indicating a sell signal that occurred 3 days ago. Additionally, the relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 21 days ago. Moving on to the 12-month chart, we can see that the short moving average displayed a sell signal 5 days ago. However, the long-term moving average is showing a buy signal that occurred 23 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages also indicates a buy signal 13 days ago. If you want to explore more signals, make sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop-loss levels for Nvidia. On the downside, Nvidia stock has found support just below today's level at $439.38 and $421.96, based on accumulated volume. When a stock tests a support level, there is always a natural risk involved. If this support level is broken, the stock may potentially fall to the next support level. In this case, the next support levels for Nvidia are at $439.38, $421.96, and $403.26. This stock typically has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. In the last day, the stock has moved $13.26 between its high and low, which is equivalent to a 2.93% change. Over the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 2.6%. Before we explore potential trading levels for Nvidia, let's start by discussing some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A high P/E ratio may suggest that the stock is overvalued or that investors have high expectations for future growth. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for February 28, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $3.76. It's important to keep a close watch on these figures, as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we will be discussing potential day trading levels for Nvidia. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Nvidia is at $467.70. It could be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position if you do not currently own any shares. However, if you already hold the stock, this level may be worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, Nvidia encounters its first support level at $439.38. If this support level holds, it could serve as a good entry point, with the expectation of a rebound. The combined average rating for Nvidia from multiple analyst sources is strong buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by Sjoquist Deborah. Sjoquist bought and sold a total of 13,129 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of -43.493. Overall, insiders purchased 243,138 shares and sold 595,667 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $440.86, representing a decrease of 5.32%. This stock exhibits moderate daily movements, which implies a medium level of risk. We have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that occurred 10 days ago. Is Nvidia stock a good buy? While there are some negative signals and indicators affecting its short-term development, we believe that the current price level could present a buying opportunity. Over the course of the next 3 months, we anticipate the price to potentially increase. As a result, we have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a sell to a buy candidate. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is overvalued. For Wednesday, December 6th, we expect Nvidia to open down -$4.19, starting trading at $461.47. Before we dive into the content, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us is not a basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment actions. We would love to hear your opinion on this stock. Comment below and share your thoughts. What target price do you have in mind? Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated. Our team at StockInvest wishes you successful trading and a wonderful day.